Picture this, it's 5 a.m., it's pitch black, it's freezing cold, and half your high school team is currently lost somewhere on I-95. Sound familiar? Today, in this explainer, we're diving into the ultimate team parent guide to sports tournament transportation in Connecticut. We're going to solve those logistical nightmares that literally drain everyone's energy before the whistle even blows.
Who is driving to the 6 a.m. tournament? Oh man, we have all been in that chaotic text chain, right? Coordinating a convoy of parent volunteer drivers is, well, it's a universally stressful experience. You've got cars leaving at completely different times, somebody always takes the wrong exit, and parents show up to the field already exhausted. It just completely drains the collective energy of the team before the game even starts.
Look, relying on a parent convoy introduces some pretty serious liability risks, not to mention the stress of navigating unfamiliar roads and having a totally split focus. But when you upgrade to a professional charter, the entire dynamic shifts. You immediately transfer all that liability over to fully insured professionals. Parents get to actually sit back, relax, maybe drink their coffee in peace. And more importantly, the athletes arrive together, hyped up, and bringing a unified championship energy to the field.
So, let's talk about the Absolute Transportation Solution. Based right in North Haven, Connecticut, their secret as an expert ground transportation partner is having the exact right vehicle for the job. Because let's face it, you don't want to pay for a massive bus if you don't actually need it. They perfectly right-size your fleet. They've got these 12 to 14 passenger Sprinter vans for satellite groups or smaller squads, massive 40 to 55 passenger climate-controlled charter buses to comfortably keep the whole roster together, and executive black cars for coaches, athletic directors, and VIPs.
And their reach really covers the entire region. Absolute Transportation knows the back roads and the highways of all 169 Connecticut municipalities. It honestly doesn't matter if your playoff game is down in Stamford, Norwalk, or Westport, or up in Hartford and Bridgeport. And hey, if your team is traveling out of state for a major national tournament, they provide totally seamless logistics to all the major hubs: Bradley, JFK, LaGuardia, Newark, Westchester, and Tweed, New Haven.
Now for the athletic directors and head team parents listening, here is your optimal insider booking timeline. To guarantee availability, especially during those crazy busy playoff seasons, you'll want to lock things in about 4 to 6 weeks out. Then you can optimize your budget by confirming your final rosters 7 to 10 days prior. That prevents you from wasting money on empty seats. Finally, on game day, your only job is to arrive 15 minutes early. The whole shebang is completely handled for you. But what truly sets them apart in the market is what they call the absolute advantage. We're talking true 24/7 service, 365 days a year. So if a game runs late or a flight is delayed, you aren't stranded. They use real-time flight tracking for all those airport routes, guaranteeing they're ready exactly when you land. You get fully professional, uniformed chauffeurs, and best of all for that strict team budget, zero surge pricing. You get predictable, reliable flat rates every single time.
Of course, because we're talking about transporting student athletes, safety is absolutely non-negotiable. It's the highest priority. Absolute Transportation is strictly DOT compliant and fully insured across the board. Plus, every single chauffeur is rigorously background checked and holds a valid commercial driver's license. They undergo continuous safety training, which means your athletes are literally in the most secure hands possible, from the moment they step on board to the moment they're dropped safely back off at the high school.
Which brings us to a crucial final thought. Let parents be fans, not chauffeurs. Do not let the logistics of getting there ruin game day. Visit absolutetransportation.com or give them a call to book your team's professional, stress-free ride today. So I'll leave you with this. On game day, do you want to be completely exhausted from navigating traffic, or do you want to actually sit back, relax, and watch your kid play?